Hello, I'm Officer Judy Hops. Introduction to Zootopia Police Department. Do you know me? I'm a female rabbit and the protagonist of Zootopia. I have a member of my Hops family, Bonnie Hops and Stu Hops, that I met in the train station. I came to say goodbye before entering into the train. The doors were of different sizes. I went into the small door. Later, I have arrived at the city of Zootopia. I see Gazelle, the tallest giraffe. That guy who sings the song, Try Everything. Do you realize who is the composer of an album? The composer of an album is Shakira. Then I visited into the quiet room. My phone rang from Hops family for video communication. I talked to them. Later, I found Nick Wilde, the fox, to help solving the case. From the stores, that guy who robbed someone's bag, Duke Weaselton. I tried stopping him, he was still running away. Then, I hit him with the big donut. Actually, donuts are made of flour, sugar, and some other flavorings that we eat in the dessert snack. A few hours later, I and Nick went to the reception area to meet Flash. Flash is a sloth, they're doing very slow jobs. We've noted down of a number plate, called 29THD03. The license plate of car is seen from the Tundratown limo service. Once we've started case solving, an otter named Mrs. Otterton enters Bogo's office pleading for someone to find her husband Emmett, one of 14 predators who have gone missing. As soon as we're solving the case, Chief Bogo was forced to let me a volunteer to take the case when Assistant Mayor Don Bellwether praises the assignment and informs Mayor Leodore Lionheart. You may like to know that Mayor Leodore Lionheart is a male lion and a supporting character in Zootopia. He is the long-standing mayor of Zootopia. Chief Bogo had gave me 48 hours to find Emmett on the condition that she must resign if she fails. Back to home, I learned Gideon Gray, that the night howlers are actually the crocus bulbs Weaselton stole. They were containing a neurotoxin that has severe psychotropic effects on mammals. As the case solve is finished, Otterton found her husband Emmett, loving together. And last but not least, Bellwether was the assistant mayor to the mighty Mayor Lionheart. Bellwether is arrested for her treachery, while Lionheart publicly denies knowledge of her plot and defends his imprisonment of the savage predators as a necessary precaution to maintain public safety. At the end, Nick had become for my partner. I and Nick are now police officer. So this was my autobiography of my event. I hope you'd like it. For based on true events, you'll learn to become real police officer, security guard and others. Like, comment, and subscribe now.